I'm unable to share.
Yeah, sir, can you please give him presenter access?
Rajesh?
Yes, sir. Sir, I hope you can see the screen.
Yeah, I can see. Yeah.
Nanda, you can zoom in a little bit. Yes, sir. So this is what we have designed, sir. And the thing is, sir, we were successful in designing the inner loop, but the height thing is still like we're not satisfied. But that's why we wanted to give you feedback. So, sir, we have started with the step input, and Nanda, can you just bring
Yeah,
it?
you're
Yeah.
subtracting alpha minus theta.
Yes,
Okay.
that we are doing. And sir, the state space we have designed using the transfer function which was given to us. So that our theta by delta was given to us. So using that, and we used some MATLAB command, and we got the ABCD matrices. So the state
Okay.
space we got it from there, and that through that state, yes, sir. Yeah, Nanda, you can show this. Yes. So this matrices we got, and then yes, sir. And then we got the three outputs: alpha, theta, and pitch rate. So pitch rate we don't want, so we have terminated it.
Okay.
And theta and alpha we want, sir. And theta we had yes, sir. This is what theta we got. You forgot to run, I think.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. This is what theta we got. So
Okay.
it's stable after some 7 seconds.
Okay.
So, sir, like how we designed the theta is we have designed the gain here, sir. The gain K, actually we designed the gain matrix. So we use some method known as LQR, linear quadratic regulator. So we use the controllability matrix, and we did some manipulation and we got this gain matrix, sir. And you see this gain matrix gives us this kind of theta variation.
Okay.
And then, sir, what we did is, as you know, this height is alpha minus theta. So alpha and theta, we have given it to the summing junction.
Okay.
And then we have subtracted it, and then we have added an integrator 1 by s.
Okay.
And then this we have given as a feedback as to the outer loop.
Okay.
So this height gives us this variation of height scope, sir. Can you see this height?
Yeah, I can see. Yeah. Now show me the height.
Yes. Yeah. So the thing is, we are getting it as constant but 0. So is it because we have not given any reference height, sir?
You have to give some reference height.
Yeah, so that reference height we have not given. That is why it shows 0. So, but it is constant. So altitude hold means it's constant.
Either it's constant or it's not having any input to that block.
But sir, we've changed the input, but it still shows the same variation.
Okay. So it has to show some variation. Okay.
Okay.
And what I would suggest is between these two summers at the top. Okay, there you can add one gain block.
Okay.
In between.
Still haven't added
That will give you
elevator block, sir. So we are only checking for disturbance or autopilot, sir. That's why height is constant.
Kevin, I'm not getting you.
We still haven't added elevator blocks, sir. So elevator disturbances are not still confirmed, sir. These are only disturbances, normal disturbances. For that, autopilot is working fine, and we are having same altitude.
So what you have to do is check on your integrator. There is something you are missing. Okay.
Okay.
What it is, you will have to find out. So what this your transfer function is right now for F104, right?
Yes, sir. 104. Yes, sir.
Okay. Before you get into the state space and LQR and all the stuff,
yes, sir.
I would prefer you first clear your fundas on classical control system.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So take two different transfer functions, one for alpha and one for theta.
Okay.
Generate the output and then try to get the height variation. Reason being is, subsequently I would like you to do some root locus analysis of the whole problem.
Okay.
Then that will give you a better feel of how things are working.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But before that, Sanjay, just you have to be in line with the class also. For the existing sample aircraft in Simulink,
yes,
do
sir.
one autopilot.
Okay, sir. But actually, sir, we didn't understand that. We thought we have to do it for our aircraft only.
No issues. Now you have time. 16th only you will have to show. You got 4 more days. So.
Okay.
You have come this far. So two things from your side. One is, instead of going through state space, go for the classical route. Okay, for the F104. And second is for the existing aircraft, sample aircraft, you will have to generate the height information.
But sir, without the state space, how do we get these outputs, sir? Alpha, theta, and Q.
You do it, huh? Do
Okay,
so.
sir.
That's your problem. Okay, good, Sanjay. But you'll have to do the other part also. The first one is existing aircraft. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next group.
Thank you, sir.
Just tell your group number.
So Group 5 also didn't have much progress. We did the same thing as Satya.
5.
Yeah,
Who is it? Who is it?
Akshay. Akshay Nivas.
Shreya group 5.
Yeah.
What's your aircraft, Akshay?
Sir, Beechcraft 99.
So no progress, Akshay.
We were trying on the Skyhawk thing and we got the same graph as Satya for the altitude control and all, but it was again auto generated by MATLAB itself. So we were trying to figure out and
You make your own autopilot, okay?
yeah, we'll try to do that.
Yeah, and then tweak little bit of the transfer function after that, and then show us what is the change.
Yeah.
But 16th, at least an external autopilot, autopilot using external components, okay? Not whatever is completely available in MATLAB.
Okay, sir. Sure. Thank you.
Okay. That is group 5.
Sir, this is Pawan, sir, group 6.
Group 6.
Yes.
Who's it?
Pawan, sir. Pawan, yes, sir.
Pawan, what's your aircraft?
Cessna 620, sir.
Okay, what have you done, Pawan?
Sir, at our group, we actually explored the 3 degree of freedom longitudinal airframe that is given in the aerospace block set.
Okay,
And
good.
we tried to figure out what is happening there, sir, all those blocks, the aerodynamic model, and then the states and visualization. We tried changing the input to a step function, and we arrived at one scope. But that scope shows us that I think the aircraft eventually crashes. There's a lot of variation. So we still haven't not much progress, sir. We still have to figure out how to make our own autopilot. Yes, sir.
So you are just using the Skyhawk, no? Whatever is given. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next group.
So group 9, so same progress is group 5.
Who is it? 9.
Rajashri, sir.
Rajashri. Just 1 second, Rajashri. Yeah. What's the aircraft?
Boeing 747.
Yeah, tell me, Rajesh. So what did you do? What effort did you take?
So we also explored the Skyhawk and we ran the autopilot altitude control autopilot. And we tried to tweak a little bit. That's when we got a few errors. So we'll have to go through it a bucket. But as such, we haven't made much progress yet. We've just looked at the inbuilt thing that's already present.
Okay. Right. So now who is left? Which group is left now?
So group 3, sir.
Group 3. Who is it? 3. Who is group 3?
So this is Sugandhan, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, Sugandhan. Okay. Yes. Just 1 second. Group 3. Okay, Sugandhan, tell me, what's your aircraft?
So it's SIAI Marchetti S211, sir.
Okay. So what did you do?
So first, as Pavan told, we explored that Skyhawk aircraft. So what I did is I tried changing the environmental parameters. I also changed the elevator control from 0 to 0.5 or 0 to 5. So I did changing, but all I get is the same. I can't see much variation in that scope, sir. The attitude versus time graph I got is from 2000 to minus 2000 meters. It just there's a linear positive negative slope graph I got. So what resulted is my aircraft is crashing. That's what I got.
It
And
went under?
yes, sir.
Minus 2000?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what I got. I can even share you the graphic. So yeah, and also we explored the code behind that, and we tried to understand that there was a clear live script given in MATLAB code. So we explored that several graphs given on cuboid mode, and the root locus graphs were given. Our team tried to understand those. So we are still progressing.
Okay, fine. Okay. Next.
Sir, group 4, sir.
Group 4.
Swami Vasan, sir.
Yes, Swami Vasan. Group 4. What's your aircraft?
Cessna T-37A, sir. Cessna T-37A.
Okay. So what did you do?
Sir, not much progress, sir. Like we were just dealing with the variables, and we were changing the variables. Like the IYY, we were just dealing with the sample aircraft, sir, like the Nighthawk, which was available in the Simulink, and we were trying to make comfortable with that, but we didn't get any much progress about it, sir.
No. First of all,
What's it?
Some feedback. Yeah. IY, what's the requirement of changing? Use the existing parameters and then design an autopilot around it. First of all, you should get that right. Then only you should start trying to tweak our parameters.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No, this is not acceptable. Okay. Next. Any other group? 3. Where is one? No one has come. Raj Sirwani. No, one is with Akash, I think, right? Swaroop, you are doing along with Raj Sirwani. Swaroop?
Yes, sir. He's with Raj Sirwani.
Okay, fine. Okay, in a nutshell, I think progress is not at all satisfactory, except few groups like Sanjay and all who tried to do something more than what is required. But in general, I feel the progress is not at all satisfactory. So I again repeat, by 16th, okay, you will have to use the existing Skyhawk aircraft or whatever aircraft is available in your MATLAB version, build an autopilot around it. How you will do it is monitor the theta and alpha information, subtract these two things, integrate it, give it as a feedback. That is going to give you the height information. But that is going to be the outer loop. The inner loop is going to be the theta attitude specialization, stabilization. Okay. So you have to have an inner loop followed by an outer loop. Only then your aircraft is going to behave reasonably well. Okay. Otherwise, you are going to get into problems. Okay. So definitely on 16th, I would like to see better progress than what it is right now. Any doubts? And use the existing Skyhawk. Okay. Sanjay has got one step.
Sir, first you want us to do only Skyhawk, sir?
Only Skyhawk. Use external components to stabilize it.
Okay.
Okay, but Sanjay, I'm not telling what you've done is wrong. Okay, it's not useful or anything. It is for the next stage.
Okay, okay, sir.
But I want to put the class in at one level now by
Right.
16th. Okay, is it clear for all team leaders?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Ramanathan.
Sir, that means what you're telling is you take the details of Skyhawk and make your own autopilot and put the details as same as Skyhawk. That's what you're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yeah. You're not going to disturb the Skyhawk block, but you're going to extract information from the Skyhawk block.
Okay.
You're going to give input to it as well as take out output from it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So we are not going to make any changes to the existing code.
No, first of all, you demonstrate this autopilot properly.
Okay, sir. Okay.
If the aircraft is flying at 2,000 feet and you give a command to go up to 2,500 feet, how it is behaving, that you show it to me.
So those 4 graphs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Those 2 things you put it in a scope so we can see the plot. This flight gear and all will come on at a later date. Okay. So what you're interested is just plots right now. Once you're happy with your progress on this autopilot, then go for tweaking the parameters of Skyhawk. Okay. So, Rajesh, anything you want to add?
No, sir.
So 16th again we'll schedule a class and hopefully you'll show us good progress. 16th is Friday. Okay. So Friday evening, same time 4 o'clock, we'll have a class. Is it all right?
Sure.
Sanjay?
Okay, sir.
So you inform your team members, they all should work towards it.
Sure.
Sir,
Okay.
16th Friday, sir.
Yeah.
16th Friday, what time, sir? What time?
Say 4 o'clock we'll have it. 4 o'clock. By the time, even if they're having some classes, it should be over. Or we'll make it 4:30.
Okay, sir. Up to you, sir. No problem.
4:30 should be fine. In case they have a class up to 4, then it will be difficult for them to join. And Sanjay, your semester is starting on 15th or 14th?
14th, sir, day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow.
Yes.
Anyway, we'll be interacting for flight dynamics class, so I'll let you know any changes are there.
Sure, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay then. Thanks everyone. We'll meet on Friday. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.